Make delicious beans and corn porridge that tasted so super delicious. Let's get started. I have 2 cups of black eyed beans, so I went ahead to give it a nice wash. If today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much. Please do well to support us, subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing food recipes. Beautiful people, subscription is free of charge. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Now it's time to parboil the beans. Okay, here is a pot of boiling water. I added the washed beans, give it a nice stir and cover and brings to a boil. Beautiful people, let me know how many times do you drain your beans water out, because for me I do that sometimes 2, sometimes 3. Okay, so over here we are going to be draining the first water out. Okay, so at this point I am done draining all the water, okay, to my taste. So this is to start cooking right away. So I added the beans to the boiling water. Okay, cover and start cooking until the beans softens. Okay, yeah, to my taste. Some minutes later I checked on the beans. Yeah, over here you can see the beans has softened. Okay, it has softened to my taste, so I went ahead to add in my cooked corn. Okay, once done I gave it a nice stir and cover the pot to cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. With love in our hand, you go taste them, you go understand. Oh, she know they rush, she they move soft. Fire low, but her heart they hot. Tomato sweet, that pepper right. She they cook peace for your night. 5 minutes later, let's go ahead to add in the rest of the ingredients. So I added some chopped onions. Add to your taste. Feel free to add any ingredients of your choice. Yeah, so I added my oil beans known as opaka. Now what's that, girl? Opaka. Add to your taste. Some homemade seasonings. This is totally optional. Go in with your crayfish. You need to be generous. Yes. Of course, you know I don't love wasting my leftovers. Okay, so here I added my leftover red palm oil. Yeah, we use these for gym mano. Yam. Okay, so I have to add everything together, right? I went in with some red palm oil. This color of oil, sometimes I don't understand this our European red palm oil. Yeah, oh, that is it. Tibia, tibia, tibia. You add to your taste, okay? Hi people, oh, you guys should help me. I covered the pots, and I remembered I've not added my season cube. Imagine. So I have to add in my no cube, okay? chop small, dance small too. Waiting she give, you go heal you. Na kitchen be I say.
At this point, I covered the pot and allow our beans and corn to cook properly until it is done. Yeah, I added some salt as well. Some minutes later, our beans and corn is done. Finally, it is done. So, beautiful people, give it a nice taste, just the way you are seeing me doing here on the screen. Okay, stir, and turn off the cooker, and it is ready. Again, our beans and corn, yellow. The type of aroma coming out from this kitchen, imambanaria is oku. Imambanaria.
Him slow, you go taste time, you go feel. Say this kitchen love be real.
Serve and enjoy. This tasted so super delicious. Enjoy with any chill drink of your choice. Beautiful, amazing people. Will you be trying out this recipe? If you will, let me know what you think in the comment section. Honestly, you will not regret this recipe. Hey! Aginedi. Oh, I really enjoyed this delicious meal, and my family did as well. Everyone around me enjoyed this. Aginidi. This taste is so super good. Thank you, my amazing people, for watching. See you guys in our next one. And remember, bless. Bye.
Oh, yeah. Mira de cool. With love in our hand. You go taste time. You go understand. Oh, Mira. She know they rush, she they move soft. Fire low, but her heart they hot. Tomato sweet, like pepper right. She dey cook peace for your night. She dey chop small, dance small too. Waiting she give, you go heal you. Na kitchen be a sacred place, where she dey smile with gentle grace. Oh, Mira.